Hello, and welcome to another Onshape tech tip. Today we'll be reviewing collaboration within Onshape. As you can see on my screen, I'm currently logged into the same model twice. On the left as Jenny and on the right as Stella. As Jenny, I can see that Stella is in the document and in the Part Studio 1 tab. Stella can see that Jenny is in the document working in the Assembly tab. If Stella opens a sketch, and Jenny goes to that same part studio, she can see the sketch open and follow along as changes are made in the sketch. If Stella changes the dimension and executes that change, it will also immediately update on the left-hand screen for Jenny. If she draws another object, that will also appear. But Jenny can also modify the sketch. She could accidentally change that dimension back to 4, relocate that circle feature, and when she executes, the changes will show up for Stella as well. I can also, as Jenny, double click on Stella's social cue and follow live on screen while she's working. So if again Stella changes the dimension and executes that change, it will immediately update on her screen and therefore my screen. We can also collaborate within this document itself. So I can send a comment to Stella, and Stella can reply right within that document so that we don't keep continuing to work on the same feature and overwriting each other's work at the same time. Stella can reply within that comment, and I can see that reply instantly and verify that I have, in fact, put that dimension back the way she wanted it. If you need to work independently in the same document to prevent parts from hiding, things from disappearing, at any point you can create a version within the document, and I'm going to create version 5 here and give myself some feedback as to why. And then from that version, create a branch in the document that I can work independently. You can see I'm in B1 on the left, in main on Stella's screen. Stella can continue, hide, show, do what she needs to do, and I can go in and modify this feature independent of the main geometry. And when I execute this, it's updated only in my branch. Thank you for watching.